it, Casey. Hold him so he can't get away. Cool. Hyrum, do you like the frog?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna pet his nose?
But not his eyes.
Don't pet his eyes, his nose. Sneaky?
Why?
Pretty dark, but you can see it's just pouring. It's been pouring off and on for like 3 or 4 hours. Sure, there's a lot of water coming down. Probably won't be working too much today. I wish the camera would focus just a little bit more. That's all water right there. It's only 5:15, so out here in the front yard, it is just pounding us right now. You can see that a little bit better. It's all water from rain today. Man, is it ever pouring. Can't beat the summer monsoon. And it's only like 70 right now. It's awesome. This Hyrum filling up the truck. Filling up the truck all by himself. Hey, what are you doing? We putting gas in Grandpa? Is it full yet, or is it just almost getting there? What do you think? Is it done? Not yet? Tell me when it's done. Is it done? Oh man. Hyrum and I are taking a load of garbage to the dump. A little afternoon break for Hyrum. Man time going to the dump.